My name is Dan Lanier. I'm the Vice President of Customer Success at OPSWAT. This is my colleague, Paolo Shishido. Today, we're going to show you how to unbox your new K3000 hardware, set it up, and get it ready to start protecting your network. The K3000 comes preloaded with our secure image and the MetaDefender Kiosk application to speed up your setup time and reduce operational risk. The K3000 is a heavy box, so I recommend that you have it at its final destination before you start unpacking. Notice that we have instructions taped to the box to guide you through the unpacking process. You can follow along as we unpack this one. Step one is to cut the straps. They're strong, so get some scissors or wire cutters. So now let's remove the cover by sliding it off. We have to unwrap protective film. You don't want to use scissors or anything else that could scratch the surface, so the best thing is just do it by hand and unwrap it around the box. And then finally, we have the last protection. So let's peel this off. Now let's remove this bottom cardboard tray. It is stapled to the pallet, so you're going to have to use a little bit of force to get it off. The next step is to get the keys to open the cabinet door. The keys are located at the back of the kiosk, either on the fan or the power cord below. In this case, obviously, they're on the fan. Let's cut the zip tie. Now we're going to remove the wing nuts so that we can take the kiosk off the pallet. In this particular case, the wing nuts are on the outside of the kiosk cabinet. In some cases, they're inside the cabinet. When they're inside the cabinet, you need to use the keys to open the cabinet door to get inside to undo the wing nuts. We don't have to do that here. We're going to just do it from the outside. So make sure to unscrew the wing nut and then push the bolt down so that it goes into the ground beneath the pallet. There's a wing nut on each side, so we've got to do it on both sides. Now we're going to remove the kiosk from the pallet. To do this, we're going to walk the kiosk forward until the front edge is leaning over the edge of the pallet. We'll lean the kiosk forward and then remove the pallet from behind. Okay, you want to grab the pallet. And now we have a kiosk freestanding at its final destination. We're going to plug it in and boot it up. Okay, so it's plugged in. Now we're going to open the cabinet door to get to the UPS to turn the machine on. So here's the UPS. Here's the power button. I press it once quickly, let go, and then press it again for 2 seconds. I hear a beep, and that tells me the machine's turning on. Also, I have a keyboard here in the cabinet. It's a USB-enabled keyboard that I can connect for any kind of additional configurations or login work that I need to do. And now you're ready to configure the MetaDefender Kiosk application. Watch our subsequent video where we go into the details of how you can configure and optimize the MetaDefender Kiosk application. And remember, OPSWAT support is always here to help you. If you have any questions, any concerns, any issues, you can call us, you can chat with us, you can log a ticket with us. We're here 24/7 to make sure you're successful.